Here, welcome to my vlog. And today is going to be Project Chevy, because unfortunately I was moving the Malibu around and I didn't have the fuel lines up high enough, and it caught something and yanked them both out. So right now, today's project, I'm trying to figure out how to get it up high enough so I can work under it. Well, when I was down to Wilbert's Pick and Pull, they got all their vehicles permanently on two rims, similar to this, and then welded together. And I was thinking about it, I said, you know, of course that's a good idea, because you can see how much higher that the body's going to be than being on the ramp. The only problem is getting the body up that high. So I decided for right now that's not going to be beneficial for me. So go down there, and then the other idea was to lay this down and use jack stands on it. Well, you could actually weld a set of jack stands to it, but I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to get two pieces of angle iron and weld it on four corners there, and then you can put the jack stand in it without any worry of it slipping. Currently 92 degrees out with a heat index of about 101. And I'm a nut for being out here. But I gotta get this darn thing running, so my daughter can use it. So this is my setup right now. I've got the jack stands sitting on the rims, and it's up. Unfortunately, it's about the same height as being on a set of ramps. But then again, not really, because when you bring it down, your suspension, you're going to drop in your suspension. But what I want to do is unfortunately, I'm as high as my jack will take it. So now I got to find something that'll lift it up a little higher. Here's my evolution here. Now we get the jack. I got 3 of those rims. So now I was able to get the jack on this rim here. So that gave me plenty of lift. The vehicle's coming to me, so that's not a problem. Because normally you want the jack would roll on the floor, and it would go to the vehicle instead of the vehicle coming to you. So, and as you can see, I got the jack stands on top of them. They're at that angle. But what I want to do is I want to make it so I cradle, so you're able to cradle the jack stands right on here. So I'd have to make a square area, or the other side of it would be just weld some solid plate on top, and then it would be able to sit on there. But you'd want to probably put some angle iron on it, so you made sure the jacks wouldn't slide around on the plate. So here we go. Now I got it to this point. See what it does when it comes down. Sits on them. We look solid. And what I would recommend is, because I'm going to be under there, I'm going to back there. So what I'd recommend is leave the jack somewhat tensioned on the bottom of it. As I was under here, I just noticed, now I got a brake line that's leaking. Oh, I don't know. This thing is just getting worse and worse. Of course, it's an 02, so I'm living up in New York. Alright, so there we go. There's my jack and lifting ideas. As you can see, I still don't really have it as high as I can get it. And I may just go ahead and jack it a little bit higher and get it. It's definitely nowhere near the height of those jack stands, but almost the height. my rear muffler is hitting the plywood in the back. Bring this back just a little bit. So we're looking really good for height. Call this the redneck jack. Redneck jacking. Oh man. Take it down just a little bit. So it's sitting on the jacks. And again, keep tension on the jacks, on the jack. Alright. Oh, now on to what I was doing. I'm not gonna do a video on the few lines because I already did them. Unfortunately, when I pulled it up on here, one of the hoses back there caught the clamp, caught one of the boards here, ripped it out. So I gotta put it back together. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Definitely share. Catch you on the next project. Chevy.